In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the Discover feature in Google Chrome, effectively removing the Discover feed. Whether you're using your phone to browse the internet or want a cleaner look when you open the Chrome app, turning off the Discover feed can help streamline your experience. This guide will walk you through two different methods: hiding Discover directly from Chrome's new tab page and turning it off via the Google app. First, let's start by opening the Chrome app on your device. Once you're in, open a new tab. You might notice the Discover feed, which often consists of news cards or articles tailored to your interests, right there on the new tab page. To turn off this feed, you'll need to look for either a gear icon or a menu button, often represented by three dots located near the Discover section. Once you find this, tap on it and choose the Hide option. If you don't see the Discover feed here, it might be because it's already disabled, or your settings in the Google app might be controlling it instead. Now, let's move on to the second method using the Google app. This method is beneficial because it can control Chrome's Discover settings as well. Start by opening the Google app, not Chrome this time. In the Google app, tap your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a menu where you'll want to select Settings and then head over to Other Settings. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Discover. Simply toggle the Discover option off, and that should disable it across your apps, including Chrome. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more streamlined browsing experience without the clutter of unwanted news articles and content. Turning off Discover can help you focus on the tasks at hand by removing distractions. Also, remember, if you're using different devices such as a tablet or another phone, you might need to adjust these settings again on those devices as well. It's as simple as that. No more unwanted feeds on your Chrome, allowing you to focus on your browsing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more useful tips and tricks. Enjoy your cleaner, more focused browsing experience, and see you in the next video.